Most car owners who choose to install wide body kits use wheel spacers to bring a more aggressive and flush look to the vehicle. If you plan to purchase a set of wide body wheel spacers, you should know how to choose good spacers and which thickness will not scratch a fender.
Hey guys, in today's video we'll install BONOSS wheel spacer for the new BMW 4 Series.
When you install the BMW M4 body kit on your BMW 4 Series, if the clearance issue only occurs on the front wheels, then you can put spacers on the front only. To measure the wheel spacer size that you need, you can use a metal ruler and place a straight edge on the outside of the rims to the fender to measure. This is the thickness of the spacers required to flush the fender. The 2-inch wheel spacers is exactly the flush thickness for the BMW 4 Series, converted to the M4 body kit. By correcting the offset, the wheel spacer will solve most potential friction problems and allow you to install larger brake calipers to upgrade the handling performance of the car. In the selection of the wheel spacers, first, it is recommended to choose spacers with the brand logo, which means that the source of the product can be traced and the quality is more guaranteed. Second, choosing the wheel spacer with a grade 12.9 wheel studs is one of the aspects to keep safe driving, which has higher strength than the grade 10.91, reducing the broken problem. Third, choose a product with warranty service. BONOSS provides 10-year warranty service can also make you more at ease.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.